Adding products on Shopify is easier than you think. In this video, I will walk you through the process step by step, so you will be ready to sell in no time. Hi, I'm Shakhwat and you are watching Ecom Clips. So let's get started. First up, log into your Shopify account, give your email and password here. Now on the Shopify homepage, go ahead and click on products. From the left hand menu, you will see the option to add products at top. There are two ways to add products. Manually by adding one product at a time or using the feed file to upload multiple products at once. For bulk uploading, you will need a CSV file. Simply click export to download the template, fill in the product details and then import the file to add your products. We will have a new video on how to add bulk listing, so stay tuned. Now back to the screen. Click on add products and this will bring you to the product listing page. Start by giving your product a title. This is the name that consumer will see when browsing your store, so make sure it's clear and easy to understand. Make sure you add relevant keywords on your title. It helps the SEO indexing. Keep the title short and clear. Be specific and avoid unnecessary words. Now we are moving on to the description. In this section, you should highlight the key feature of your product first. Make sure to include important details that make your product stand out. A good tip is break everything down into bullet points. The way it is easier for customer to read quickly and understand why they should buy your product. Now, media section. This is where you are going to upload the product photos. We can add multiple images at once. After uploading, we can also choose which image will be the main one customer see first. And we can arrange photos by simply dragging. Anyway, move to the price section. This is the actual price we are currently selling it for. Let's say $20. In the compare of price, I add 25. Okay, when you add the compared price, it will show on the listing page, like this one. That means we sold previously at $25, now we are selling at 20. Fill up the quantity here. After giving the quantity, if I click save, then this page will reload. I'm gonna add variants. For the variants section, you can add products variants by choosing photos like size, color or material. I'm going to add color to our listings. We have two color variants, yellow and black. We can add images in the variation section. For the yellow, this is the image. For the black, I am adding this image as well. If our variation has different price, we can set those price here. Alright, the basics are done now. We can save this page. Click on save. Click on preview to see how our listing page look like. This is it. This is the yellow one and this is the black one. This is the description that we added. This is how our listing page look like right now. And that's it. You have just learned how to add products on Shopify step by step. Remember, a good title, a clear description and the right price can make a big difference in attracting customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more easy guide like this. If you have any question, please drop in the comment section. I will catch you in the next one. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.